Oh, you lowered. Wait, that's it. That brass checker. Hell yeah, don't stop and leave it. Oh, damn. She said, where's the owner? Where's your traction control?
Yo, this nigga funny as shit.
Yo, Mustang is Mustang. Yo, is that Eagle Boost? Eagle mode.
Nah, no bullshit. You gonna give us a show.
Oh, bro? Is this shit loud? Oh, fuck. Jesus Christ!
Yeah, but he holds his own though. Don't break the pretty car.
That shit is nice as fuck. Why?
Air it out first. Air it out. If he said go home, do it for the land yacht. Learn for your freedom. I told you to lose some
Yo, that shit hit me in the face earlier. I'm like, fuck that. Yo, I'm watching his ass. He trying to prank somebody. Look. Carucci? That's Chris Brown's girlfriend. Yo, this guy is funny as shit. Yo, that shit still burning you?
I swear to God, this ain't right. My neck. Man, nigga need to put a hoodie on.
Yo, these dudes funny as shit.
Neck.
Neck.
Fuck my neck.
Hold on, you want to tell the vlog what just happened or not?
Yeah, man, look, hot ass motherfucker rock got kicked in my hoodie. Started burning the nigga neck till I got the rock out. My neck still burning. Shit.
Oh, my fucking ribs, yo.
Neck.
Hot rocks.
Damn, let the sun out this bitch.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit.
Oh, shit. Oh, that shit's nice as fuck.
I don't like that. That great.
That's all you got.
They're gonna fire. They ain't getting paid. Shit. Nigga next door, nigga got to wash his shoulder off again.
Oh, my God.
I just took a shot.
You funny. Yo, she a G for that. Yo, what the fuck?
That's that wild talking about. We got that wild thing.
Yo, is he here a lot? This dude's funny as shit. You gonna make my views go up. Hold up. I gotta zoom in.
Oh, you freak. You freak. Take a man shot. Yeah. Yeah. Cock that shit. Damn it. Yeah.
Take that man
I
shot.
eat the pussy.
Take that man shot.
I eat the pussy. You say you eat the booty? No. Hold on.
This nigga funny. It's going on YouTube.
Stretch. So I'm at 60 foot. 60 foot that motherfucker. Put the nitrous in your tank. 60 foot that motherfucker. He about a 60 foot that motherfucker. Oh, he's on the bottom now. Man.
You look like something goes on.
Yo, this dude funny as shit.
Only one of your wheels is spinning, motherfucker. What is this? Who made you like this?
Oh my God, this dude funny as shit. Oh, hey.
Get out the way for these hot rocks hit my ass.
I gotta see this.
These rocks hit me in the neck and shit. Let me get back over here. You take your
Hey, no, why I gotta be?
Need a new head gasket, first of all. Oh, hell no. Oh! I'm calling the cops.
What the fuck? Yo.
I just got the car yesterday. Just got the car yesterday.
Well. Yeah, I knew. Oh, damn, it's crazy. What the fuck? America! Yo, these niggas funny as shit. Yo, they funny as shit.
Damn, bro. I'm sorry. You got 30 shit. No, you was standing right there.
Do it!
type that in.
Yeah, you gotta go around. See what you think about that.
Are you about to do it?
Okay.
Oh my God! You dick lick.
Bye.
See, I don't know what's more entertainment, the burnout or these motherfuckers.
We're not gonna do it. He's scared. If he do, I'm gonna catch it all. Oh, take it.
He could be high. Yes, sir. He probably gonna prank us too. Look at the wheels. Hey. That wasn't nice. That wasn't nice at all.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, down is made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.